Look no further than the 2022 Nissan Frontier. Here's a hard-working Nissan Frontier, the midsize pickup that's durable, comfortable, and up to the task. Whether you're on the job site or hitting the trail, this rugged partner has your back. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, keyless start, satellite radio, multi-zone AC, aluminum wheels, Wi-Fi hotspot, power driver's seat. Don't let this affordable Frontier slip away. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.